I could like fix my hair, this would be a look. Hello lovelies, welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, hey love, my name is Gabby and I would definitely love it if you subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this really natural, very subtle, yet super cute makeup look. I know a lot of us are going back to school soon or either like returning back to work. And even if you're not physically attending classes, I know that a lot of us are going to have to get on those really annoying Zoom sessions. So at least you can get on your session looking really cute, girls. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to hop right into the face. I skipped over doing my brows. I just did them off camera because I really don't have much to do to them ever since I did an at-home brow lamination. It's basically just like perming your eyebrows, and you guys, do you guys see that? Like, oh. So yeah, ever since perming my eyebrows, they're so easy to tame, and I basically just go under it with the concealer. I will link my in-depth eyebrow tutorial. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use my NYX Wonder Stick, and I'm going to use the highlight side of this just because this is really not bright enough to highlight on my skin. It's kind of like the same complexion. So I'm going to use this instead of a foundation to just go in and cover any dark marks or anything that I want to conceal. Okay, so then once I've done that, I'm going to go in with my concealer by Juvia's Place. You guys know I love this concealer. And I'm going to just highlight under my eyes. So I'm not putting foundation on at all. And this is pretty much like the only full coverage thing that I'm going to be doing to my face, since it's going to be a very, very natural, easy, no makeup type vibes is what we're going for. I'm also not going to drag the concealer on top of my eyelids like I normally do, because I want to keep that natural, like kind of dark hollow look on my eyelids, because that just makes it look way more natural. So then next I'm going to go and take my NYX Wonder Stick again, and I'm going to use the contour side. That is so the highlight side. Use the contour side because this is actually dark enough for me to use, and I'm going to apply the contour a little bit higher than like the natural hollows of my cheek, just to kind of give it a natural lift. So I'm going to go a little bit higher and then just do a little bit, like literally that much, just like a little short line, not a lot at all. Then I'm going to do my forehead kind of normally because I think I have a ginormous forehead, so I kind of go in there. And then I'm going to use my Morphe M439 brush to blend that out. I literally love using this brush to blend out my contour. I'm just going to go with circular motions and blend it out really seamless. I'm going to take this NYX Wonder Stick in the highlight shade one more time and just kind of go over the spots that I want to conceal one more time, because this isn't really the heaviest coverage, so I'm going to layer it to make it how I want. And just take my beauty blender and blend it out. So to set my highlight, I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and a damp beauty blender. Make sure it's still damp. And then you want to push it in the powder and really like press this into your skin, because you don't want it to start to look like cakey or anything, but you also want your makeup to last the little bit that you're wearing. So you want to be sure to set it, but press it into your skin and it'll stay all day, boo. Okay, so then I'm going to set my contour. I'm going to use the True Complexion Contour Palette by Black Radiance. I've been using this for years and I literally just don't know a better palette. I just don't. I'm going to take that right over where I contoured. Remember to start a little bit higher. And I'm just going to set that. Now for my eyes, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu. This has literally been my everyday go-to palette. This color right here is my best friend. It's just really, really like natural brown. It has a little bit of like red undertone, which you guys know is period for me. So I'm going to go in with this shade a little bit, and then I'm just going to put it into my crease. And I'm eventually going to work this shade over to the little crease of my nose, because I'm going to contour my nose with this shade as well. Okay, so I really like have not mastered the concept of contouring my nose, but I just do what looks cute. So I run the color down like the bridge of my nose, and then I put the color on the tip. And this is really like the thing that does it for me. I put it on the tips and kind of like around the shape of my nose, and it just kind of creates this illusion like my nose is like a little bit smaller. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that and then blend everything out. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to blush, and I'm gonna use my Morphe M105 brush for blush. I got these Morphe brushes as a Christmas gift in a set. Literally, chef's kiss. I'm gonna go in with that same shade that I used on my eyes, and I'm gonna just, not too much, make sure you blow. I'm gonna just put that on my cheeks. And so then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Paris True Match blendable powder, and I'm just going to set the rest of my face with this. So I like to go in with my setting spray one time right now, and I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. I love this stuff. I literally drown in setting spray because this is just really what makes your skin look like super dewy and glowy and very natural looking. Drown in the setting spray, sis. I'm gonna be wearing some mascara because I'm not gonna do lashes today. And the mascara that I'm using I got from Amazon because I ran out of mascara and I didn't realize that I didn't have any more left. So I did like an emergency little purchase, and it's called the Essence Lash Princess, oh my gosh, the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. So it comes in this little like black tube. I did not know how this was gonna work, but it actually works so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. I'm gonna do a couple layers because I'm not wearing falsies, so I want my lashes to look fake, okay? You also can curl your lashes before you do this. I already have naturally really curly lashes, so using an eyelash curler doesn't really do much for me, but if you want that little extra oomph, then definitely curl your lashes before applying the mascara. My bottom eyelashes are so long, it's actually a little creepy. Okay, so when I'm done with my mascara, I'm going to go in and put a little bit of brightener in my inner corner. I'm going to go back into my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to use the highlight shade that comes in there. I'm just going to put a little bit in my inner corner. And then for a highlight, I'm not going to do a lot, literally like one little swipe and then just like that. Very natural. So for lips, I'm going to do a brown lip liner, and I do overline my lips a little bit because I like how it looks. So then I'm gonna go in with Kat Von D in the shade Sanctuary, and I'm gonna just put that in the center of my lips. So then to top off my lip, I'm just going to put it on a gloss, and I'm using the lip gloss from Divine Creations. Spray my face one more time. I almost forgot that I go over my beauty marks or like any dark kind of like pimples that are in the process of leaving. I just go ahead and turn them into beauty marks. So I'm using the Kat Von D like little mini eyeliner, and I'm just going over them like just a little dot. Alright, lovely, so that is pretty much it for this makeup look. On average, this look takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to do every single day, so it's super quick, super easy, but really cute and natural looking for an everyday makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and comment down below so that I know what more type of videos to do for you guys. Definitely be sure to subscribe. I love you guys so much as always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!